second home in our youth, Quezon City High School in Scout Ibardolaza, Quezon City. Quezon City High School was the first secondary school in the premier capital of the Philippines. Founded in 1947, it is now bursting at the seams with 3,500 students using the new extended curriculum K-12. Almost 100 classes are ongoing in a given academic year. The physical state of our school begs for changes, with some improvement needs and challenges that are hard to meet. Yet, our public educators strive to do their best for our future generations.
Hi, this is Grace Cristobal, the new advisor of the Capital, the official publication of Quezon City High School in English.
Ako naman po si Gina Rosemary Ranches. Bago unang taon ko sa pamahayagan ng Pilipino ang Parola.
As one of my students reached the regional and won 9th place in Capital Day.
Meron din po sa Pilipino, ilang unang taon ng pagtuturo at ang saya sa pakiramdam na ang mga bata ang nagdadala ng karangalan sa regional, national, regional, secondary, press conference, sa kategoryang radio broadcasting, nakapanalo po sila ng maraming special awards.
Ako po siguro is yung attitude pagdating ng mga competition. Kasi kapag yung ibang school, pwedeng ma-down sila, ganun kapag natatalo sila sa contest, but not Quezon City High School. Quezon City High School, yung mga students po dito ay talagang nagsistrive para sa next contest, mas marami pa silang maabot at mas marami pa silang makuha ang awards.
There is a vibrancy in the air, a hope, an ambition in the voices of the students today.
And I'm Irish Mendoza, also from Grayton, Rizal.
I'm Lemon Tubianosa from Grayton, Rizal. I'm Alison K. Bautista from Grayton, Rizal.
Also, I'm Nakuya Bibi Aguilano from Tan Rizal.
Carl Angelo Ortiz from Tango.
In the near future po, ay gusto kong maging AB English po yung magiging course ko and maging English teacher someday at Japan. At saka pagbalik ko po dito sa Pilipinas, gusto ko dito po ako babalik bilang sobrang experienced na teacher at gusto ko pong gumawa ng mga pagbabago.
Leadership and action are not lacking. Our present students enthusiastically regard us, the alumni, with respect for what they believe we have accomplished in life. They want to follow in our footsteps.
So, ayun, sana maging masaya kayo sa reunion niyo dyan sa state.
Sana nasa okay kayo kalagayan and nakakatuwa na lagi niyong binabalikan yung paaralan natin na talaga namang nagiging isang magandang ehemplo na dapat balikan natin at magpasalamat tayo dun sa mga taong gumabay sa atin.
Thank you for being a great part of this school and thank you for being an honor. Siguro sobrang successful na nga dyan. So, enjoy your reunion lang po.
Sana pagpatuloy niyo pa yung path ng journey niya at more success to come sa inyo.
Hello po, siguro ngayon ang lalayo na ng narating niyo. And I just want to say that we are so proud of you and keep inspiring thousands of people.
Thank you po sa mga inspiration and motivation na binibigay niyo sa amin. Huwag po kayo mag-alala, someday we will see each other.
So, thank you po sa lahat ng ginagawa nyo and keep up the good work po. Salamat po ng marami sa pagtulong nyo sa amin po ng mga kasalukay estudyante ng ating paaralan. At someday po, gusto po namin na maging katulad din po ninyo na successful at proud ng kaso.
Sana po, kahit po gano'n po kayo ka-successful, magkaroon po kayo ng chance na bumisita ulit po dito. Then, how to see kung ano nga ba yung progress ng school natin at kung ano ba yung pinagbago nito at kung paano siya pinaunlad ng mga taong namumuno.
Siguro po kaming mga estudyante ngayon, sabi ko na kami rin po magiging successful po kami sa darating na future. Masasabi ko na gagawin po namin kayong inspiration para marating po namin yung mga pangarap namin sa buhay. Gagawin po namin yon para sa sarili namin, hindi lang para sa sarili namin, para sa pamilya namin, sa school na to at para rin po sa ikagaganda ng pamayanan natin.
Mabuhay ang lahat ng Quezon City High School alumni sa buong mundo!
In reality, While the teachers shape the students' future, the students' own success would lie on their determination to use their God-given talents. Our challenge is how best to support the mission of delivering quality education with limited resources. How does the present faculty define its challenges?
I think we should have more trainings for our faculty because that is very important. And I think also that the facilities in the school should be developed. Like for example, the speech laboratory and our science laboratory and our TLE laboratory.
We really need to inculcate the value of political awareness among our students, and one of the values that they should consider in studying Araling Panlipunan or social studies is good leadership. They should know, they should influence their parents through, of course, daily reading of news events or current events, what happens today or what is happening now, and who are those politicians who really are for the country or for the society.
Siguro in every subject, we have to integrate different values so that they can apply it and practice it at home. We have to call the attention of the parents. We have to include them in every parent-teacher conference so that we can help them develop this kind of values.
Sana po yung mga estudyante na gagraduate na dito sa Quezon City High School ay maging katulad ng mga mag-aaral noon, maaaring sa paligiran natin ay naapektuhan yung mga mag-aaral.
Quezon City High School, our school, moves on with a commitment to excel. The students, with their limitless energy, look forward to an environment and a society where they can be responsible citizens, and they want to prove their worth as graduates of our alma mater. We are looking forward to help them realize their needs. We too can give back to our community.
As far as I know, in my 5 years in Quezon City High School, alumni here is very active. Yearly, may mga sports fest sila. Sana, yung batch 71 ay makarating ulit, makabalik dito sa Quezon City para makita yung mga improvement at madalaw ang aming eskwelahan para naman be part of the active alumni association in Quezon City High School.
Congratulations for being active na hanggang ngayon talagang inaalam niyo pa rin ang kondisyon ng eskwelahan ng Quezon City High School. At sana makapagbigay pa rin kayo ng mga pangangailangan ng ibang mga estudyante rito sa school.
Complete talaga nito kasi we don't have yung mga kama namin way back 90s, ano pa yan. Naglalaglagan ng aho. Congratulations po. Sana po inaasahan po namin ang pakikipagtulungan ng Kenneth QCHS Alumni International sa aming paaralan. Para din po sa improvement and sa mga darating pang what do you call this? Needs ng Quezon City High School. Sana po makatulong ang batch 7.
One of the biggest contributions of Quezon City High School to my life is it is there in that school that I had a personal encounter with the Lord Jesus. From there, I may perspective ko about life. We also have encounters, chance to meet with other schools, public high schools in our area. Kami kasi parang the camaraderie was there. At very close sa mga tao. Ang enjoy ko. They gave me the confidence to do a lot. Kasi parang lahat ng bagay kaya. Thank you so much sa aking mga batchmates, Quezon City alumni, the entire graduates of Quezon City High School. Maganda pong naisip na project ni Arisa documentary. It really make a difference. see how we can impact the lives of the current high school students para ma-inspire naman natin sila. Not just to be successful, but to really be able to make an impact to the life of the people around us. At saka para meron din tayong nagawa for the Philippines.
Matagal na ang pagsasama at magandang naging pagsasama na yung during school days ay tulad nila Ed Cablan, Art Abelardo, Virgilio Cabato, Maning Victorio, Ramon Bambao, at basically marami pa sila, but I have to think about this, especially Odi Marquez and Peter Balong.
Gusto po kayo lahat dyan. Ako si Milagros Espiritu Yanao, Bagtas. Masaya ako dito na nabalitaan ko na tayo mag-host ng Bat 71 dyan sa Las Vegas. Sana all of you ay masaya. And we wish ko na all of you ay God bless and I love you very, very much. Thank you.
Enjoy lang kayo mga batchmate. Miss you all. Bye!
Ako si Anita Dialogo Mercado. Congratulations, Batch 71. Enjoy. Masaya, kailang masaya. And we love you. God bless. Mwah, mwah.
And as we celebrate this occasion, let us honor the administrators and faculty that guided us, the students who are our country's future leaders, our parents who gave everything so we may have an education. We dedicate this gathering to them. Thank you, and may God bless you.